camp for that. Culinary skills. Chef Reece McRae is an executive chef and instructor for the summer camp for kids. And you're a baker, and
yes.
just do it all, don't you? Or mainly you bake?
I try. I'm a pretty good baker, so.
And you're good at teaching kids?
I'd like to think so.
That can't be easy.
No, it's actually really fun. I have a really good time doing it, and they love to learn.
You had the class that's called Bake and Taste.
Yes.
So they get to bake and then eat.
Yep, we bring them in. We kind of give them a crash course in basic culinary skills. We teach them basic baking techniques. We start out with cookies, go into some basic quick breads like banana bread, and then we finish up
Or the cookies.
the 2-day class with whoopie pies, which is one of my favorites.
Whoopie pies. Now that is not, maybe not everybody knows what they are. Are they always filled, the whoopie pie?
Yep. It's a west or an East Coast thing. It's out of Massachusetts and Pennsylvania.
You want to give us one to fill?
Yep.
Tell me what you have in your two bags.
So we teach them how to make a real French buttercream, and we fill them with 2 different vanillas so they can see the distinctions or taste the difference between the two.
So they'll get to make the cream.
Yep. They get to make everything you see here. So this one is a Tahitian vanilla.
Now you always is a whoopie pie like a sandwich cookie, right?
Yep, it's a sandwich cookie. It's actually classified as a sandwich cookie, a cake, a pie, and just a standard cookie.
Because this is very, it's very cakey. It's not. It's not like a cookie like the ones over there.
Devil's food traditionally is what's used.
Devil's food is supposed to be a dark chocolate or a lighter.
Darker.
Darker. Okay.
Yep.
There you go.
This one is the Madagascar vanilla. So we tell them the difference is one is like your standard vanilla ice cream, very vanilla, rich, buttery, and then the Tahitian, this one.
That one's a little bit yellower. I don't know if that shows on camera.
Yep, that has the little specks in it, is more cherry and woody and licorice, so they get to taste the difference.
Well, this is for kids. This first one's 14 to 17 is the age. And then we have their other baking classes too, and you're doing some of them and some of them are others, but it's not all baking. Some of it's savory as well, cooking?
Yes, my colleague Chef Kyle does the savory side, so they'll come in and make hamburgers and French fries and get to see kind of the other side of the kitchen, hopefully spark some interest in cooking with the family.
Reece, do you remember when you first started in your own home when you were a child?
Oh man, that was a long time ago.
But did you do it as a kid?
Yeah, I helped my grandma and my great-grandma and my mom cook a little bit.
Doesn't most of it start when we're young?
I think so. Yeah. I think so. It kind of elicits a lot of great memories of being in the kitchen with my family.
And think who you inspire when you teach kids, right?
Well, hopefully some get some inspiration from it.
I bet. I want to talk about these cookies. What kid doesn't love a chocolate chip cookie? What do you think is the secret to a really good chocolate chip cookie, Reece? What would you say?
Probably using real butter.
Real butter.
Yep.
Don't skimp on that.
Nope.
You would never cook with margarine, right?
No.
Or I don't know. What else could you use?
Shortening. Yeah. Every once in a while, I will use shortening for certain things, but I prefer butter.
The texture it causes, and then that flavor, right?
Absolutely.
Butter. And then I know you have the best recipes, and if you want your kid to get involved in this one, who wouldn't, right? These are going on all summer, so there's a list of all the classes, all different ones. But if you guys go online, because this is at Scott Community College in your
our culinary lab,
which is a beautiful facility that you guys have. So congrats on that. So go to that website that we have there at the bottom for all the summer camps coming up, and they're coming soon. So you got to get signed up.
And they do fill up fast.
Oh, they do. Oh, can you imagine, especially these? So Reece, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Nice job.
Thanks
for what you're doing, inspiring and helping kids and developing all this in their
Thank you
interest.
very much.
So.
I appreciate it.
Thank you, Reece.
You guys are